Hi, friends in conflict. Are you looking for an easy way to boost employee engagement and increase workplace connections? Let me introduce you to the look, ask, listen, and tell a friend approach. This is a strategy that can help boost employee engagement through mental health awareness in the workplace. Employee mental health is a cornerstone of employee engagement, productivity, and organizational success. Today, we'll discuss how the look, ask, listen, tell a friend approach can help HR professionals and managers and executives to support mental health in the workplace. Now, lest you worry that you're not qualified to provide mental health support, we're just talking about some simple intentional actions, not professional expertise. The look, ask, listen, tell a friend approach was created by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services as a means of driving public awareness, public health awareness. I am applying it as a revision to the mental health first aid that was created by the National Council for Mental Well-Being. The objective is to provide a practical framework for identifying and assessing mental health challenges while creating a supportive workplace. So step one is to look. Pay close attention to your employees' behavior. Are there changes in their mood, energy levels, or their engagement? For example, is a normally cheerful team member now quiet and withdrawn? These subtle shifts can be signs of stress or mental health challenges. Step two, ask. If you notice changes, gently ask how they are feeling. Keep it open-ended and non-judgmental. Try saying, I've noticed you seem a bit different lately. How are you doing? Asking shows care and it opens the door for meaningful dialogue about their well-being. Step three is to listen. This step is critical. When an employee does share their feelings, listen without interrupting or offering immediate solutions. Be fully present. Validate their experiences and let them know that they have been heard. Sometimes just being listened to can make a huge difference. Step four is to tell a friend. When appropriate, encourage employees to seek support, whether from a trusted colleague, a counselor, or an employee assistance program that's available to them. Also, share positive stories about how seeking help has led to growth and healing for yourself and for others. It can reduce any stigma and inspire them to seek the help that they need. By incorporating the look, ask, listen, and tell a friend approach into your daily interactions, you can create a workplace and a culture where employees feel seen, heard, and supported. Remember that small actions can lead to big changes. Start practicing these principles and approaches today and watch the transformation that will take place in your team. Share this video with your leadership team, and together we can prioritize mental health and drive employee engagement.